Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video here today. This is the Batman 4-film collection. It's going to be 1989 to 1997. It's a 4K and Blu-ray set. Still in the shrink wrap, as you can see as I do that up there. But I actually have talked about these movies before. Set that down for a moment. This is the Blu-ray set. I think I found this at Target. Has one of those like WB Iconic Moments slipcovers. You can see that right there. But all 4 movies in one Blu-ray set here. Did do an unboxing for this one, but it's kind of an older set with those old discs in here. But I do really like these movies. Wanted to get them on 4K because I've heard the transfers look really good. This is a later reissue for this set. When it first came out, had the digital copy in there for all 4 movies. Not with this reissue, but also, you can hear that in there. There's got to be at least one floating disc in here. Let's open this up and take care of it. It's very glossy and kind of shiny shrink wrap here. The lights in my room are kind of reflecting on it. We will take it off completely here. Slide it off. There we go. So here's one more look at the front box art. So this front cover looks really nice. You can see the bat signal continuing over on the side of the box. There's the 4 titles. That looks nice there as well. I like how it says all 4 of them. And the back, there's the 4 cases. Most of the villains. Max Schreck by Christopher Walken. Not there, but he was kind of his own new individual character, so this looks nice. Not a ton to go over with the back artwork, but nice to have kind of a different box design here. These are all sold individually. When they first came out, they all had slipcovers as well. So that looks pretty nice. It is kind of more simple artwork. It is just a white background. You have Gotham City, a different layout for Gotham on all of them. Batman front and center, basically the villains in the back, different colors on all 4. For the first 2 with Michael Keaton and Tim Burton, you have 3 starring credits. With the final 2, this one is Val Kilmer, and that is George Clooney, directed by Joel Schumacher, 5 credits. Put these 3 off to the side. Look at all 4 cases individually. So 1989's Batman. And this is a classic Batman film. You can't go wrong. Jack Nicholson as the Joker is great in my opinion. More kind of color and a few images here on the back. And these 2 right here, I think those are like iconic shots. Iconic movie overall. There's the special features, so there's commentaries, behind the scenes, storyboards. And this is 126 minutes. Inside, just have that blue color carried over. But here's the Blu-ray and the 4K. They both have Gotham City. I think it's the same city layout on both of them. But you have the bat symbol in the background. That's just kind of at the top. So no crazy artwork, but they are both different. That blue color, it's not bad. So there we go. Then we have Batman Returns, my personal favorite. Great performances all around in this movie. And it is a Christmas movie as well. It didn't come out during Christmas, but they do mention it throughout this movie. Kind of a die-hard situation, but a nice movie to watch for Christmas time, I think. So a similar layout on this one. There's the special features. 126 minutes again. Didn't realize it was the same runtime. Here's the inside with that purple, the Blu-ray disc, and the 4K for Batman Returns. Then we have Batman Forever. This film is different than what came before, especially when you compare it right directly to Batman Returns. It's a campier tone, but I like this movie, I really do. Val Kilmer as Batman, rest in peace to Val Kilmer, but he's a great Batman and a great Bruce Wayne in my opinion. Tommy Lee Jones is hamming it up. Jim Carrey is doing even more. But both fun villains. But you have Nicole Kidman and Chris O'Donnell in this one as well as Robin in this movie. Not my favorite Robin, but it's okay. Here's the back for this one. Classic Riddler outfit, great Batman suit, good Bruce Wayne look. I like this movie, what can I say? 121 minutes for this movie. And here's the green. So all very similar discs. But here's the Blu-ray and the 4K. I like how these look. And finally, no one's favorite, Batman and Robin. Chris O'Donnell does continue in this movie as Robin. In the title, we have Mr. Freeze and Poison Ivy in this movie as the villains. I like George Clooney as an actor, but I think everyone can agree, not the best choice for a Batman. I don't really even like that suit that much either. So, just not a good movie overall. You know what? Yeah, I think this is the one with a loose disc. Has to be, because the other three didn't have a loose disc. Here's the back for this one. There's the special features, 124 minutes. Carefully open this up. I think I just got a fingerprint on the disc, but hold on. There we go. So here are the two discs. The 4K for Batman and Robin. And there's the Blu-ray disc. I do want to mention when you put these back in the box, the 4K, DC, and WB logo is very similarly placed as with the titles, but you'll see right there, blue, purple, green, and red, corresponding with not only the artwork, but the discs as well. It's a nice touch. And why not, let's go over this Blu-ray 4-film collection. It's a much simpler release, but I like the slipcover and these 4 bat symbols right there. Here's a look at this back. Open this up. For some reason, this is the only disc with no actual artwork. There is a version of Batman 89 on Blu-ray with just Batman and the Joker on it. This is very plain. There's the Batman Returns disc. Put that back on top. There's Batman Forever. Right underneath that, Batman and Robin with the very old DC logo now. Close that right back up. That's the Blu-ray 4-film set. Nice to compare. I think these look nice. It's a nice box that comes in as well. I'm happy with how this release turned out. But 3 out of the 4 ain't bad. 75% of these movies I would say are good, fun to rewatch. The previous Blu-rays were fun, but I'm looking forward to rewatching these very soon in 4K. Should be fun. So, thanks a lot for watching this video here today. And stay tuned for more videos very soon.